Hi everyone, Stephanie here from stephdots.com, and this is a tapping video for teeth grinding and and pain from teeth grinding. Okay, so I just read something that said that 70% of teeth grinding comes from anxiety. So this way EFT can help to kind of lower any suffering we might have in our lives around stress and overwhelm and anxiety, so that we can help support our body in processing that stress. Okay, so tap along with me. You just tap along the points with me and repeat after me. So even though I have this teeth grinding issue, I have this pain in my jaw, this clenching in my jaw, I don't even know I'm doing it. It happens while I'm sleeping at night. And even though I have this pain from clenching my jaw, I still deeply love and completely accept myself. This teeth grinding. I grind my teeth all night. I sometimes even have tension in my jaw during the day. All this tension in my jaw. All this stress I feel. All this overwhelm I feel. I worry a lot too. All this anxiety. Is tapping here on the ribs. This stress is manifesting in my body. Oh, tapping here under the ribs. Sorry to say that. My body needs to put this stress somewhere. And it has chosen to store this anxiety and stress in my jaw. All this tension in my jaw. All this pain in my head. If I knew how to get rid of this, I would have done it by now. This has been a frustrating journey. And I would just like to sleep peacefully through the night. I'd like to wake up without these headaches in the morning. I've tried everything, and I still have this cloudiness in my head. This pain from a tight jaw and gums and teeth. Whatever stress my body's feeling, I'm willing to let it go, even though I don't know how yet. I'm letting myself feel all these feelings right now. I'm experiencing them right now, and I'm letting them go right now. All this worry, all this tightness. I love my body for trying to get rid of this stress for me. My body is so intelligent. My conscious mind knows that I should chill out and go to sleep and sleep peacefully through the night. But my subconscious mind is trying to process this stress for me. My subconscious mind is very worried. My subconscious mind is trying to protect me, and I love it for that. So I'm sending a message to my subconscious mind right now. It is safe for me to relax. It is safe for me to sleep peacefully through the night. It is safe for me to wake up refreshed. It is safe for me to let go of all of this tension. Even though this tension is trying to help me. It's trying to help me remember to do all the things I need to do. It's trying to help me get to a good situation. It's trying to help me problem solve. And I love it for that. But right now, all this anxiety and tension, it's just not super helpful. So I'm willing to let it go. Even though I don't know how yet. There is a solution out there for me. And I'm willing to tap away all this pain so I can see the solution very clearly. Things are going to get better. This tension will lift. This tension in my jaw. This physical pain in my body. It won't be here forever. I am going to beat this. And placing your hands on your heart. Take a big breath in and a breath out. Just finding a picture of yourself, an image of yourself sleeping peacefully through the night without any clenching in the jaw. This peaceful rest. Just imagine how that feels. Peaceful rest, waking up refreshed in the morning. Once you get an image of yourself like that, just beam that image out into the whole universe, into every direction. It is safe for me to rest. Okay? Peace and love. Keep tapping, and I will see you soon.